Alrighty, well, hello again. Welcome back to another episode of the Kaiju Corner. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a Let's Play of this game called Risk of Rain 2. It's a pretty neat little game. I've been enjoying it a lot with my friends lately. For anyone who doesn't know what this game is, it's been out for a little bit, but it's a type of roguelike game. And playing through it, you unlock all these different little characters who do all their own little things. But the main point of the game is you get dropped on this world, you have to collect items to help you survive better, and you have to find a teleporter to go to different places on the world until you eventually get to the final boss. Or you could just loop endlessly to keep playing Let's see. Who do we want to play as? Me and my buddies really enjoy this guy. His name's Bandit. He's probably the most highest damaging character in the game. But let's get in there. And everyone drops down in a little drop pod to this planet. But then boom, as soon as you get out, the game starts. As you can see in the top right, there's a timer. And right now it is on easy. And that will constantly go up. Now you can see this guy has some kind of like shotgun, he uses a pistol, and he can even go invisible for a little bit so enemies can't see him. But as you kill things, you earn money, and then you find different little drop pods or these vendors. Let's go for the mystery item. Rockets, terrible item. But, yep, you have to find as many items as you can as quickly as you can. And get to the teleporter, because as I said, this game gets harder the longer you play it. But the reason that I'm kind of showing it off on here is because whenever you find the teleporter, you summon a boss battle, and it's always... Oh, there's the teleporter. When you do that, it's always some kind of giant monster. So that's really the sort of main reason why I'm kind of showing it off on here. Besides the fact you fight all these really neat enemies, the boss battle is always a giant monster. And eventually, if you play a game long enough, or let it get hard enough, the game will just constantly summon giant monsters. So, yeah, as you see, there's like little chests and stuff all around everywhere. And the game does not stop spawning enemies, they are constantly coming. But killing enemies gives you money, which you can use to open these chests to get items. And each of them do a variety of different things to help you out. And it's just kind of up to you to play the game and figure out what the items do and what items mesh best with the character that you're playing. But I think we have enough items, so let's go ahead and start this battle. And, oh, we got the giant jellyfish. And, he's pretty easy right now. Oh, unless he does that. That was a aura he sends out that engulfs the entire play map, and if you get caught in it, when it explodes, it does a lot of damage. But right now, we're doing the teleporter, and once this reads 100%, we'll be able to go to the next map. And he was kind of easy, so I'll do one more teleporter event to kind of show you guys the things that can be summoned while doing this. And maybe it'll be a little bit of a tougher one. I don't normally play his character very often, but some of my friends really enjoy him. I typically like to play a character called the Engineer. He's just like any other typical engineer character. He summons turrets. And so he's pretty fun because I can literally just set up the turrets and then stand there and not have to do anything. Then I hit the button. Oh, there we go. So we're still in the easy sector, and you may have noticed when you teleport, you lose all your money, causing you to have to start farming all over again. Oh, and now the game is starting to summon elites more often. Oh, missed my pistol shot for some reason. Alright, we got a little bit of money. Let's go find some chests or vendors. And if you were looking in the top right, you'll notice that we're starting to get close to medium difficulty. Shrine of Combat. Up there's a chest. Mushroom, terrible item for this character. So the mushroom heals me, but I have to stand still for it to activate, which this character doesn't like to stand still. They're very mobile. Oh, found a teleporter. But let's see if we can get a few more items before we start it. It's not a bad item. Gives me a little bit of shield, so a little bit of extra health. But we need more damaging items. This character is a very glass cannon type of character, but he does have some survivability with his dash, this ability, which gives him an increased jump, makes him invisible, and makes him run faster. Stun grenade, not bad. Oh, missing all my shots. Oh, get surrounded. Alright. Whoop. Walked right into that. Let's see if we can find some more items. Because that's pretty much the whole point of this game. Go around, farm enemies, get items so you can survive better. I'm not sure if it spawns less items the less player there are, but looks a little bit that way. Oh, very nice. Oh, a drone. That's very helpful. Alright, we've got a few more items. And now we have headed into the medium difficulty, so things are going to be getting a little harder. Summons bigger enemies, tougher enemies, elite versions of normal, weak enemies. Let's see. Let's see who we get this time. Stone Titan. Ah, so just a big boy. Ah. His laser eye is so annoying because it does not miss. You cannot make it miss. Oh, I guess I must have fell to the pit. But that is one good thing about falling off the map. It doesn't kill you, it'll just respawn. Up, and the portal is done. Fire off a few more rockets and head to Zone 3. But I didn't want to make a full run-through video for this game, so I'm just gonna call it right there. But I thought this was a pretty neat game. I've been having a lot of fun with it. My friends will normally play it with me because they've been enjoying it as well. I will put a link down in the bottom where you can get this game. It's been out for a little bit now, I think a couple years, but I think it's fully worth it. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun to go through and try to unlock all these different characters. You of course have like alternate abilities for them you can unlock as well. And if you're a kind of person who loves lore and explanations, you have all this logbook of all these different things you can unlock throughout the game to learn different things about this world, the settings, and everything. Like what everything is. These lizard people called Lemurians. They're kind of neat looking. But yeah, thanks for stopping by and checking out another one of my videos. If you like my content, be sure to like or subscribe. You know, always feel free to stop by, check out any videos, and yeah, can't recommend this game enough. It's pretty fun. I might do some more playing of it, maybe record a few videos. But yeah. Anyways, thank you all for stopping by again, and I'll see y'all in the next one.